Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here. Today I'm going to be going over practice test 3 math calculator number 20. And oftentimes on this test you're going to see lots of questions that relate to scatter plots or line of best fit questions. And so it's very important for you to recognize that there is a difference between the questions that asked about the data on the scatter plot versus the questions that ask about the line of best fit on the data, on the scatter plot. So when you are looking at this, as a reminder, the beginning of the word problem is just going to tell you about the scatter plot. So for example, it says Michael swam 2,000 yards on each of 18 days. That's telling you about the situation. The scatter plot above shows his swim time and corresponding heart rate after each swim. So I want to take a quick look and see the swim time in minutes and the heart rate along the y-axis, okay? I also want to be careful to point out that that point, although we'd love to believe it's the origin, is not the origin. So I always want you to look at that when you're looking at scatter plots. Additionally, I need to really pay attention to the scale of the plot. In math classes in high school, you often get really caught up in a 1-to-1 scale where, when you're doing slope, you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. On the SAT, they want to make sure that you're reading carefully. And so you can see here that this is actually not going up by 1. Each 2 lines here is going up by a half. So each one's a quarter, whereas each one of these is going up by, so from here to here is 10, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So each line here is 2 units. That's important. So always pay really close attention because they're going to get you on that, okay? All right, so then we go on to read. The line of best fit for the data is also shown. So this is the line of best fit, and then you can see all the data scattered and plotted. For the swim that took 34 minutes, Michael's actual heart rate was about how many beats per minute less than the rate predicted by the line of best fit. Okay, so let's make sure we understand that the scatter plots, the data on the plot is his actual, and the line of best fit is an estimate. All right, so I'm going to find 34 minutes, and I'm going to go up. So here is his actual, and here is the line of best fit. And you can see that the difference between the two would be those units, 2. So it would be 2 units. All right, guys, that is a question on line of best fit and scatter plots that would be on the SAT. Have a great day.